Hey everybody, Dave here with Dave's Garage 365 and Indigo Hail Repair. Got a 2021 Yukon I'm working on today. Give you a couple little tips and tricks for all you technicians out there. A couple good whacks right there. Just a little tech tip. It's good to heat metal up in the winter when you work on it. It makes it a little more pliable, less chances of cracking the paint. So this is just a cheap heat gun that I got from Harbor Freight, I believe. But this right here is a Robo arm. This arm is great for holding the heat gun up and doing just this. So I got it on. Just kind of got it low, just warming this area up, just make it a little more pliable. Show you what we got going on under here. So I got the headliner down. This is just a little tech tip somebody taught me. Just put a little bungee cord, paracord rather, through here, and this holds this back out of your way. So I got an arm holding my heat gun, and an arm, so to speak, holding this headliner down for me. Now under here, there's this is all double braced up, so I'm hoping that I can go through maybe some of those holes and get down to the back side of that metal. The other dent that I need to repair today, it's a pretty nasty dent. It's right below the body line. It's about the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit bigger. Looks like it's got some scuffs in the center there. This is an aluminum panel. Aluminum is really hard to repair. So aluminum is like, imagine taking like a Coke can or soda can and you crush it. When you let go, it just stays like that. So that's kind of what aluminum does when it gets dented. It doesn't really care about going back into shape. Whereas the roof up here is steel, so it does have some memory, some elasticity. It does want to go back into shape. But once again, on the roof here, it's under a brace, so that makes it pretty tricky. And this is right below the body line, and that's going to make it tricky too. This dent's pretty difficult to get on because there's all kinds of double metal in there. So I got a little tool. This tool is made by Excalibur. A gentleman named Rick Hummer makes these tools. So this is the left one. I've got the right one in there right now. So these tools are unique because you can twist side to side or you can push down. Able to get to the back side of this dent and start making some pushes. Keep going for a little bit here and I'll show you a follow-up. Now, it's really tricky to get into. There's not a whole lot of access up here. Got the bulk of the dent done, but here's the problem when you do PDR. So there's a small dent back here. I can't get a tool on it. So I was able to get a tool and work that one out, but this one is just a no-go because it's right about here, and this is all double metal glued in, so you just can't get behind it. So you're gonna have to glue pull this from the outside. It'll be a little hard to do this one hand, but essentially I'm gonna take this tab, which is made by Atlas. Stick this glue on it. This is a limited glue gun, DeWalt battery. And I'm going to stick this in the tab right on the dent and pull it up. Hopefully get it out. All right, I think it's ready to pull. This thing here is a Robo lifter. Stick that on there. Oh, so glue wasn't dry. I'll do that again. So I just figured out that when you stick a glue tab on the metal and you have a heat gun on it, the glue's not going to dry, so I had to remove the heat gun and try the tab again. Looks like a little came out, but I'm probably going to have to repeat this process 2-3 times, maybe more to get it all the way. It's the finished product. It's pretty good. Polished it up a bit. Onto the door. Oh. This truck was in a fire, this Yukon rather, so I'm not sure what fell on there, but the front of this, there was a fire in the garage, so this antenna is going to get replaced too. Just a little something I found out while I was working on this vehicle. This little dent's going to be tricky. It's aluminum, so I got a heat gun on it, getting it warm, start making some pushes. We'll get it out though. Here we got the finished product. Looks really good. Done, just took me about 20 minutes to fix that. Customer will be very happy. If you yourself have a ding or dent in your car, feel free to get a hold of me or a PDR technician in your area. PDR stands for Paintless Dent Removal. Thanks for watching. Hope your car stays dent free. Have a great day.